I am on Facebook and I see a car for sale. It wasn't for sale for more than like, I think 30 minutes at the time. I messaged the guy, I liked the price and I bought it. So I am proud to say that I have bought my fourth 95 Nissan 240SX. Third one with the mint dash. It's an automatic. This is my first time having an automatic one. There's some little clunks and everything like that, but for, you know, spending $1,500 on a car that runs and drives is amazing. So yeah, check me out. All right, guys, definitely a one-wheel peeler. We're gonna have to weld that diff up ASAP. So yeah, had to do a little something now. Anyhow, I'm gonna do a little walk around once I get home so you can see it. It's just a bone stock Zinky. Looks really cool though to me, of course. Want to like track this build all the way. One thing I didn't do with the Z was, I guess I did. I guess I pretty much tracked that build, but this one's gonna be a little bit more in depth, because we have to take apart all the subframe bushings. We have to swap it to a manual. Maybe later on, maybe I'll just do a KAT for now, but maybe later on I'm probably gonna do a big turbo SR swap, or maybe a 1J or something cool like that. But I'll like show like how to actually wrap a vehicle and like all the little like things that, you know, a lot of y'all asked for me to do on camera. So anyways, I'm gonna catch back up to Amy and I'll get y'all walk around once I get home. It's the only body panel right there. I'm gonna have to do something with it. Big old dent right here. Might be able to knock it out myself, honestly. And then the rest is just a bunch of clear coat chipping. Bone stock though. Most things work. Body is super straight for it is. You see little teeny little dents like that one. Pretty rustless. But the amazing part is, see this dome light works. Yep. The interior is in near mint condition. Dash is crackless. Dash door panels look great. I'm happy with it.